Hello dear students. Hello dear students. Welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this episode we are going to discuss the properties of triangles. Before exercise 10a examples we are discussing. This is part 3. Total 3 parts are there. Example problems I am making a video. So now let us have a discussion. The first question in this session. Show that a cos square a by 2 plus b cos square b by 2 plus c cos square c by 2 equal to s plus delta by capital R. So first consider LHS here. LHS. See, a cos square a by 2 plus b cos square b by 2 plus c cos square c by 2. That we can write it as, first step you write it, a cos square a by 2 plus b cos square c by 2 plus c cos square c by 2. This can be written as sigma a cos square a by 2. We know that formula, cos square a by 2 equal to, cos square a by 2 formula is what? 1 plus cos a by 2. Cos square a by 2 equal to 1 plus cos a divided by 2. If we thorough with the formulas, easy to understand the concept question. So now, sigma a into, in place of cos square a by 2, 1 plus cos a divided by 2. After that, 1 by 2 is there, no? So 2 we can take outside of the sigma. So 1 by 2 sigma a into 1 plus cos a. So which is equal to half into sigma a into 1 a plus sigma a into cos a. Here, if you expand the sigma a, it represents by cyclic order, it will become small a plus small b plus small c. So now, 1 by 2, a plus b plus c, keep bracket, plus, even here also, sigma, small a from sine rule, we can write it as 2r sine a. Sigma, in place of small a, 2r sine a from the sine rule into cos a, bracket close. We know that sine 2a equal to 2 sine a cos a na? Sine 2a equal to 2 sine a cos a. We have formula. So in place of 2 sine a cos a, we are going to replace with sine 2a formula. So now 1 by 2 and also a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c. First you write it, after that we will write it in terms of s. Plus sigma, except r, remaining 2 sin a cos a sin 2a, no? So r into sin 2a. After this step, we are going to move to the r also take common. We can take outside. 1 by 2 a plus b plus c plus capital R, we can take outside of the sigma, and sigma sin 2a. If you remove that sigma, if that means expand the sigma, expanding this value, it will become sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. So now, and also a plus b plus c equal to what? We know that a plus b plus c is equal to 2s. Where is the perimeter of the triangle? So now half into a plus b plus c is 2s plus capital R into keep bracket and write that value of sin 2a. Sin 2a plus sin 2b, if you expand this one, sin 2c. Now each and every term multiplying by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 2s, yes. Plus r into 1 by 2, r by 2, sin 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c. So here 2 get cancelled. S plus r by 2. Here in previous sessions we discussed that in triangle ABC, we have sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c is equal to 4 sin A sin B sin C. 4 sin A sin B sin C. I will move this. In triangle ABC, we have this formula sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C equal to, from transformation of in trigonometry, we have 4 sin A sin B sin C. Now, in place of sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C, you have to replace with 4 sin A sin B sin C. So, dividing by 2, it will becomes S plus 2R, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 2R into sin A sin B sin C. After this step, we need to prove S plus delta by R. No, we have formula. Since delta equal to 2r square sin A sin B sin C. This is the formula we have in properties of triangles. So 2r square. So here only we have 2r is there. So to get r square here, multiplying and dividing by capital R for the second term of this one. So now S equal to S plus 2 into r square divided by R into sin A sin B sin C. Which is equal to S plus, in place of 2r square sin A sin B sin C, you can replace with the delta by capital R. That only they are asking to prove, no? So therefore, conclusion step, cos square A into cos square A by 2 plus B into cos square B by 2 plus C into cos square C by 2 equal to S plus delta by R, hence proved RHS. The next question. If cos A by 2 is to cot B by 2 is to cot C by 2 equal to 3:5:7, show that small a is to small b is to small c equal to 6:5:4. So now we know the formulas of cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cos C by 2. Given cot A by 2 is to cot B by 2, cot C by 2 equal to 3:5:7. So cot A by 2 formula in terms of delta and S. So S into S minus A divided by delta is to S into S minus B divided by delta is to S into S minus C divided by delta, which is equal to 3:5:7. By observing in LHS, S by delta is common. We can cancel it. So we can get it S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Why? Because they are in ratio. We can do like this. So 3:5:7. Whenever A is to B is to C equal to K is to L is to M, we can write as A by K equal to B by L equal to C by N. So similarly, S minus A divided by 3, which is equal to S minus B divided by 5, which is equal to S minus C divided by 7, which is equal to some k, we are assuming that they are in proportional. So by equating these two, equating these two, now we will get the values of s minus a, s minus b. S minus a equal to 3 into k, 3k. S minus b equal to 5k. S minus c equal to 7k. So I want to get the value of s and k values. So now if we add all the three, adding all the above, s minus a plus s minus b plus s minus c equal to 3k plus 5k plus 7k. S plus s plus s, 3s, minus of a plus b plus c equal to 7k plus 5k, 12k, 12k plus 3k, 15k. We know that a plus b plus c is equal to 2s, no? So 3s minus 2s equal to 15k. So that implies that s is equal to 15k. But they are asking to calculate the values of a is to b is to c. See how it is. After getting the value of s, since we have s minus a is equal to 3k, no? From this a value make as a subject. That implies a equal to s minus 3k, which is equal to, s value is what? 15k minus 3k, which is equal to 12k. A value 12k. Next, since s minus b equal to 5k, that implies that b is equal to s minus 5k. So 15k minus 5k, which is equal to 10k. Since s minus c equal to 7k, that implies c equal to s minus 7k. 15k minus 7k equal to 8k. Therefore, a is to b is to c equal to 12 is to 10 is to, 12k is to 10k is to 8k. K is common in all the terms, we can cancel it. So 12 is to 10 is to 8. So that also dividing by 2, 2 6 are, 2 5 are, 2 4 are. Therefore, the ratio of small a is to small b is to small c is 6 is to 5 is to 4. The next question. Show that a square by 4 sine 2c plus c square by 4 sine 2a equal to delta. What is the formula for delta in terms of sine a, sine b, sine c? Delta equal to 2r square sine a, sine b, sine c. So here consider LHS. A square by 4 into sine 2c plus c square by 4 into sine 2a. From sine rule, we have a equal to 2r sine a and small c equal to 2r sine c. That value substitute and squaring on both sides here. A square, no? A square means 2r sine a whole square. Therefore, it will become 4r square sine square a divided by 4 into sine 2c, 2 sine c cos c, plus similarly c square, 4r square sine square c, 4r square sine square c divided by 4 sine 2a, 2 sine a cos a. So here 4 get cancelled, here 4 get cancelled. After that, 2r square. Here 2r square is common. Next, which term will be common? Sin A cos C. But here sin A is there common. After that sin C is also there. No? So we can take common 2r square sin A and sin C. Sin A and sin C. Sin A, sin C. The rest of the terms, if you take common sin A, sin C, the remaining here sin A and cos C. One of the sin A and cos C plus sin A and sin C is over, no? So remaining sin C and cos A. Cos A and sin C. This bracket value sin A cos B plus cos A sin B form, no? Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C means this formula of 2r square into sin A sin C into this is in the form of sin of A plus C. We know that A plus B plus C equal to 180. A plus C equal to 180 minus C. Taking sin on both sides, sin of A plus C equal to sin of 180 minus C. Sin of A plus C equal to sin of 180 minus theta sin theta. So sin C. In place of sin of A plus C, you have to replace with sin C. So 2r square sin A sin C into sin B. This value is B. So here B. Sin 180 minus B, 180 minus B, 180 minus B. So sin of 180 minus B is sin B. So this bracket value will become as sin B. Therefore, we know that formula delta equal to 2r square sin A sin B sin C. Write in the order 2r square sin A sin B sin C, which is equal to delta, which is required RHS. Therefore, conclusion step, A square by 4 into sin 2C plus B square divided by 4 sin 2A is equal to delta. Hence, result. The next question, if P1, P2, P3 are the altitudes of the triangle ABC, then show that 1 by P1 square plus 1 by P2 square plus 1 by P3 square equal to cot A plus cot B plus cot C divided by delta. So here consider a triangle with sides ABC and altitudes P1, P2, P3. So here consider the rough figure. A, B, C. We have BC is equal to small a, small AC is equal to small b, and AB is equal to small c. So now altitudes are required. So P1 is altitude through A to the side BC. This is P1. And P2 is another altitude through B, and from through C another altitude P3. So here these are the lengths of the altitudes. We have to write it. In triangle ABC, P1, P2, P3 are the altitudes of altitudes. Here only enough altitudes of the triangle. Already I mentioned there. Once again I am writing. To the sides respectively. To the sides. BC is equal to small a and AC is equal to small b and AB is equal to small c. We know that this is the first step. The area of triangle formed by the area of triangle we have three formulas now. Half into base into height. Half into base into height. Suppose here if we take this as a base is a into height is altitude p1, which is also equal to, if you take the base is AC, that half into base is b into altitude is p2, which is equal to half into, if you take this as base, so half into c into p3. So we can write it as delta equal to AP1 divided by 2 equal to BP2 divided by 2, which is equal to CP3 divided by 2. But from this we want P1, P2, P3. Cross multiplying each and every term we have to equate and cross multiplying like this part is equating these two, equating these two. So by equating you will get it, the values of delta in terms of, so 2 delta equal to AP1, 2 delta equal to BP2 and 2 delta equal to CP3. From this we will get the values P1 equal to 2 delta by A, P2 equal to 2 delta by B and P3 equal to 2 delta by C. After getting of these values, consider LHS. 1 by P1 square, which is plus 1 by P2 square plus 1 by P3 square, which is equal to 1 by P1 square 2 delta by A whole square plus 1 by 2 delta by B whole square plus 1 by 2 delta by C whole square. After this step, it will becomes, shall I write directly? So denominator of denominator, numerator no. So A square will become a numerator by 4 delta square plus B square divided by 4 delta square plus C square divided by 4 delta square. After that, this equal to A square plus B square plus C square divided by 4 delta square. But since in triangle ABC, cot A by 2, cot A plus cot B plus cot C equal to A square plus B square plus C square divided by 4 delta. We proved this result in previous sessions. So now by cross multiplying, A square plus B square plus C square equal to 4 delta into cot A plus cot B plus cot C. You have to get this result. So now in place of a square, b square, c square, a square plus b square plus c square, you have to replace this value. You will get a required RHS. See that in that LHS, in place of this, we are replacing with 4 delta divided into cot A plus cot B plus cot C divided by 4 delta square. 4 get cancelled and one of the delta cancel, which is equal to cot A plus cot B plus cot C divided by delta, which is required RHS. They are asking to prove this result. See here, I will show once again. See, this is the question. Once you go through, so this is the known formula. This is the known formula we proved in the previous sessions. Once you go through the videos, you will get that result. From that, wherever a square plus b square plus c square is there, we are replacing with this value and we will get it. A square plus b square plus c square equal to 4 delta into cot A plus cot B plus cot C. So delta cancel, 4 get cancelled. Remaining is cot A plus cot B plus cot C divided by delta, which is required RHS. The next question, prove that a cube into cos of b minus c plus b cube into cos of c minus a plus c cube into cos of a minus b equal to 3abc. This is very, very important in properties of triangles for 7 marks question, long answer type questions. So now consider LHS. So LHS, a cube into cos of b minus c, which is plus b cube into cos of c minus a plus c cube into cos of a minus b. This also can be written as summation a cube into cos of b minus c. After that, a cube can be written as a square into a into cos of b minus c. Here small a can be written as 2r sin a from sine rule, sigma a square into, in place of small a, 2r sin a from sine rule into cos of b minus c. After that, sin a, in triangle ABC, we have a plus b plus c is equal to 180, no? 180 or pi. A equal to 180 minus of b plus c. So taking sin on both sides, sin a equal to sin of 180 minus b plus c. Sin of 180 minus theta is what? Sin theta. So sin of b plus c. Sin a equal to sin b plus c. So in place of sin a, you have to replace this value. So now it will become sigma a square into 2r into, in place of sin a, sin of b plus c into cos of b minus c. We know that sigma a square into 2 into capital R, 2 into capital R, sin of b plus c into cos of b minus c. Now here 2 sin a b plus c into cos b minus c. Observe carefully. 2 sin b plus c into cos b minus c. These three terms forms a formula. Which formula? 2 sin b plus c cos b minus c is equal to sin 2b plus sin 2c. This is the formula we have. So in place of that, you have to replace with sin 2b plus sin 2c, which is equal to sigma a square into capital R. In place of 2 this value, we can write it as sin 2b plus sin 2c. Sin 2b, sin 2c, we know that formulas. Half angle formula, you can write it. Sigma, capital R constant we can take outside. Why? Because circumradius na. A square into sin 2b, 2 sin a sin b cos b plus 2 sin c cos c. After reaching of this step, here capital R into sigma a square 2 sin b cos b plus 2a square sin c cos c. After that, here R also again you can take inside the sigma. So it will becomes a square 2r into sin b into cos b plus 2a square capital R into sin c into cos c. Now what I am making is 2r sin b, from sin rule we can write as small b, and here 2r sin c we can write it as small c from sin rule. Here no need to write. Why? Because in previous sessions we discussed. Now a square, in place of this 2r sin b, small b into cos b plus 2 capital R sin c, from that c, so a square c into cos c. After that, what term will be common from these two? A is common. Not only a, you have to do that this one as an expansion. So a square b cos b plus a square c cos c. Like this, you can expand. That means by cycling process. If you remove the sigma, it will becomes a square b cos b plus a square c cos c. You remember here a start b and c. Plus again here b square will come in both the terms. B square. After that b immediately c, no. C cos b, c cos c plus b square. Here c is there means automatically a will come there. A cos a. In the next c square, here starting c square means c, after that a will come. So a cos a, cyclic process, this step is very important, plus c square into b cos b. Once again I will repeat, a square in a square b cos b plus a square c cos c. Here a square common, b and c terms will be there. Here also b square if you take common, c and a term, C square is there means A and B term. From every term, from these two, from first and from here as well as here, we can take common AB. Slight I am writing from here to here. AB I am taking common. Next, from these two, BC I am taking common. From these two, AC I am taking common. It's a very turning step. Now it will becomes, if we take common from these two AB, if we take common AB, here A cos B plus here B cos A. Next, from these two, if we take common BC from these two, BC if you take common B cos C plus C cos B plus from these two and second and fifth, AC if you take common A cos C plus from these two now C cos A. After that, we have formulas from projection rules. A cos B plus B cos A is equal to small c. B cos C plus C cos B equal to small a. And AC, this A cos C plus C cos A is equal to small b. So, which is equal to AB into small c plus BC into small a plus AC into small b. Since from projection rules, ABC plus ABC plus ABC, 3ABC, which is equal to required RHS. Hence the result. Once again, I will show that answer completely once you go through that. Yeah, thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this, thank you all. Signing off, Maths with Panindra.